That's London Waterloo, Victory Arch. Waterloo mainline station also has entrances to the tube station. Waterloo has got two ways in to the underground. There's the ticket hall and escalators down to the Bakerloo and Northern line, and then there's the area which takes you down to the Jubilee line. Except there's a third way in, and you may have forgotten about it because it closed about 3 years ago. Traditionally it was called the Shell Centre entrance and exit, and it was just over there, but it closed a few years back to be remodernised, rejuvenated. It's not called the Shell Centre anymore. It's reopening. Let's go and have a look round, see what it's like. At the bottom of these escalators, that way is the Bakerloo and that way is the Northern. If you go straight on, there's currently some blue hoardings up, and that's where the entrance exit is. Before we go up the stairs, there's a lovely lady called Kelly who's the project manager. She's going to show us around. You may not remember, you might not have been out this way before, but it used to be two escalators, and in the middle it was a fixed staircase. The fixed staircase has become an escalator, and over there is another passageway through that takes you down to the Jubilee and Northern line. So that's been there before. That's not new, but it's been blocked up for ages. That will reopen. And we found out from Kelly, it's no longer called the Shell Centre entrance. It's going to be called York. Did you say York Way or York Road? York Road. It's now the York Road entrance. Everyone meet Kelly.
Hi everyone.
It's all shiny and new.
It is.
Are you excited?
I'm hideously excited because this has been my life.
For the last three years?
No,
2 years?
I've only had the pleasure for the last 18 months.
18 months, okay.
Yes.
But I think it's been, we're having to speak above the PA, but I think it's been closed for 3 years though, right?
It is,
2
yes,
3 years,
correct.
okay, alright. Okay, we're at the top. Now what I remember is that the escalators came up and you used to be able to turn left and there was a bit out to the side there. Or you could do a U-turn and there was a gate line here. So there's still a gate line there. That side is no longer way out. And there's a new way out and there's gates to the side here, which I guess is on the eastern side. So that entrance gone, new one here, new improved gate line there. Yes? Yes. You know, here's a new thing. When I'm not counting steps, it's not a 15-story building. Sometimes I just count gate lines as well, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, 7 regular gate lines, sorry, 7 regular ticket barriers, and then 2 wide ones here. Oh, and there's some more down there as well. So this comes out to the side. Kelly's here again. Oh, hello again.
You have to bring the camera down.
If I stoop and if I angle like that,
then you're just about okay.
So there's a new entrance on the side here.
There is, yes.
Presumably this hoarding's going to come down.
It will. It won't come down straight away because on the other side of the hoarding, Canary Wharf Group are continuing to build their new towers.
So is that because they've built some new buildings here?
Yeah, so the whole of the Shell Centre that was here before has been demolished.
That's gone?
It's gone complete. Well, I think one building remains, a headquarters building.
Okay. And the Canary Wharf Group guys, they've built what? Hang on, let's do this properly.
Yeah.
What have they built?
They have built a number of new towers on this site, and in the ground floor of one of the towers, known as Building 3 at the moment, is the new LU ticket hall. So it sits in the position roughly where the previous ticket hall was. It has a larger footprint than the old one, so bigger capacity, but otherwise it generally sits in just about the same place. Yeah.
Why don't I just hold? If I just hold it, but now all of YouTube has now had to turn their heads sideways.
They have.
It's because I'm very tall as well. Sorry. So it is also the useful entrance for the South Bank.
Well, this is going to be an exit rather than an entrance. This smaller gate line here. So around the front you've got the main entrance, but this here is the exit. And yes, this is the best place for South Bank because when the hoarding's down, you'll be able to just go up that way. So recording this video a little bit in advance of the
official opening on Wednesday. It will have been soft opened, as they call it, I think, at the weekend. The rainbow boards are on. The tube map rack's empty. Oh, there's a new tube map out, by the way. And then over here, because there used to be, remember the good old days when we had ticket offices, over there was a ticket office, but now there's just 2 mini-sized machines which are on. This one, the larger one, says closed, not on yet, and the fancy escalators, all 3 of them, down here. Kelly,
Yeah.
I can see like a magical door to Narnia. Where does that go?
Oh, it's so exciting. Brace yourself. It goes downstairs to the basement. You've got a number of switch rooms down there. You've got a fan room. You've got a D&O room, which will be power supply.
I think we need to see it.
Machine chamber.
Let's sit. Come on, don't just talk about it. Let's go to it.
This is the upper machine chamber.
You have to really shout.
This is the upper machine chamber.
So this was all here before, right? But you've just cleared it out and put in new equipment. Is that right?
Kind of, yeah. So there would have been an upper machine chamber here before, because we had 2 escalators here before and a big stair.
Okay.
And this new room that you see now around us,
Okay.
it's much bigger than the room that was here before.
If the audio doesn't come out of this, by the way, I will have put in subtitles on that bit. Maybe I'll just put in, should we have subtitles?
Yeah.
Okay. What colour would you like for your subtitles, Kelly?
Why not have it corporate blue for LU?
Corporate LU blue. But it's cool because we're right beneath the escalator. Like I'm not gonna, but I could put my hand up. You could almost, yeah, you're right beneath the escalators. It's cool. I love the fact I've just seen, like you'd have a spare wheel in the boot of your car. There's like a spare bit of escalator just here in case one breaks and they need to swap it out. Does that apply to all escalators everywhere? There's always a bit of spare escalator just in case. That's brilliant. There's more upstairs. I've been in a lot of tube station mess rooms, you know, tube stations that were built 100, 150 years ago. This is like being in an IKEA showroom. It's all shiny and clean and new, right?
It is.
It's lovely. It's the nicest one.
Staff love it.
Yeah, I bet they love it, yeah. And you can see from here out the window the view onto the rest of the construction work. Nice. That's very good. You've learnt that technique.
I've learned the art.
So we've got a shiny new entrance exit, calling it York Road,
Yep.
here at Waterloo. What are you doing next, Kelly? What's your next project?
West Ham. We should have a new station entrance there coming in the next few years, hopefully.
Thanks, Kelly.
Thank you.
New entrance, come to Waterloo. Bye.